Did your credit card expire or have to be renewed, or did you recently switch credit card providers? If so, then you'll likely need to update your payment method within OnTheClock. Hi, I'm Herb, and in this OnTheClock tips and trick video, we'll walk you through how to quickly and easily access and update your billing details directly from your web browser. Keeping your OnTheClock account information up to date helps ensure uninterrupted service for your team. So go ahead, load up your OnTheClock account, and follow along as we show you how to update your billing information in just a few clicks.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to review your billing and payment information inside of your OnTheClock account on a web browser. To do this, log into your OnTheClock account, navigate to Settings, and choose Billing Information. Alternatively, in the top right corner, choose your name, and under Account Info, choose Billing Info. Here you will see all of your billing information. You can see that you can choose from credit card as well as bank ACH. Once you have updated your billing information to credit card or bank ACH, feel free to accept the payment terms and then press Save. If you have any other questions on how to update your billing information inside of your OnTheClock account, feel free to reach out to support at ontheclock.com.